Jennissen, VP Sales and Marketing for Felling Trailers. We're in Las Vegas, Con Expo, booth 1741 in the festival grounds. And Felling's here today with our air bifold system. This is a brand new system that we've developed over the last couple of years. It's part of our Air Ramp series, which we launched 10 years ago, and it's revolutionary to the industry. It actually is perfect for paving markets and other low clearance markets. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show how easy it is to operate it. Simple flip. So it's dumping the air in the airbag, and then you'll see there's a mechanism underneath that'll push the ramps out, and we actually have a patent pending on the system back here. So this spring pack system here will what allows that that second leg to kick out and get your 9-degree load angle. So the real beauty of that system is that it fully kicks out before it actually gets on the pavement, so it doesn't mar the pavement. We've had a lot of feedback from other systems, even our old hydraulic system. It comes down and it scrapes earth, so we spent a lot of time developing that spring pack system to kick out in the way that it does. And then you'll see I'll flip it back up to bring it back up. It does the same thing on the way back up too. Again, the last thing you want as if you just did a new parking lot is get a new asphalt down and then scrape it with that trailer. So this system that we developed eliminates that. And it's all air powered. It's a green system. No extra batteries, hydraulics, anything. So this will be available on any of our 20, 25, or 30-ton TAG series. And actually, we're going to also develop it for our semi-series as well. That's it. Thank you.